Fortune favors the brave, a Latin proverb that was first used thousands of years ago in military combat, and it's still relevant today. We see it in technological advancement and in everyday people taking risks to make big changes in their lives and in the world. We know Fortune favors the bold in crypto, investing hard-earned fiat currency into blockchain projects that our research tells us could one day change the world for the better. The crypto community has chosen to be brave with our investing and find new ways to build wealth and make investments in new ideas about how our online experiences should serve us. Blockchain, the ultimate ledger for finance, contracts, and web services. In an overnight revolution, like taking down the Halloween decorations and immediately putting up the Christmas tree, crypto investing has moved out of the shadows and is now center stage in the mainstream media and investing. Crypto.com, the well-known payment solution and trading platform, is a leader in bringing crypto assets to the mainstream. With over 10 million users worldwide, it's a top 5 app in the App Store and Google Play. Now, Crypto.com has upped the ante by creating trailblazing partnerships with the UFC and Formula One, making deals with Water.org and Matt Damon, and offering a massive Paddock Club Hospitality Pass giveaway. Let's get it. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, home of the Bit Squad, the largest and greatest crypto community in all the interwebs. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in crypto. If you like money and crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today, we look at news and updates on Crypto.com and give our take on how its native token, CRO, might perform in this next leg of this bull cycle. Crypto.com just came out with a global ad campaign with Oscar winner Matt Damon. Fortune favors the brave. In the commercial, we see people try something bold. They rise above the trials and pitfalls to get the job done. Astronauts, the Wright brothers building the first airplane, mountain climbers scaling vertical peaks, and all the while, the pioneers of crypto is in the metaphorical center of the commercial, pioneering new digital experiences and ways of investing. The ad was directed by Oscar winner Wally Feister and produced by Dave Fincher. Focuses on the ability of blockchain and crypto assets to change the course of history, using a timeless phrase that was first heard thousands of years ago. The goal of the ad is to show that crypto is becoming less about trading and more about creating a new future for the internet, namely Web3, an internet that will be owned by builders, creators, and users, not the few, not the elite. And on that note, take a little control over the future of blockchain, smash up that like button. It gets more crypto content out to more people, and it's the best way you can help support the channel. Crypto.com's partnership with Matt Damon goes beyond the ad campaign. They donated $1 million to the global nonprofit he co-founded, Water.org, to provide clean water to the millions of people who are living with a tainted water supply. Crypto.com also wants to open the broader crypto community to more opportunities to donate to this cause. Water.org is now accepting donations in crypto assets. Bitcoin, ETH, and many altcoins are accepted as payment. The commercial launched on Thursday Night Football on Fox Sports in the US and will eventually run in 20 more countries. Crypto.com wants to take a leading role in bringing crypto into the mainstream and wants to share life-changing crypto gains with the people in this world that need it the most. Like other great blockchain projects, Crypto.com is upgrading consistently. Developers recently introduced Cassini in preparation for their Cronos mainnet launch on November 8th. Cassini is an incentivized testnet with a prize pool of up to $300,000 and was the final dry run before the mainnet launch. Product development focuses on creating zero-fee stablecoin conversions, BTC and ETH monthly futures, and 5 new tokens available on CryptoEarn, including Solana, Avalanche, and Luna. The app has multi-chain deposits and withdrawals with support for Arbitrum, Polygon, Solana, and others. Crypto.com has just become the first ever global official fight kit partner of the UFC and the first crypto platform to partner with the Ultimate Fighting Championship. This long-term partnership allows Crypto.com to display their branding on UFC fight kits worn by the athletes, and ads will have meaningful visibility with brand presence in the octagon during pay-per-view events, and integration into UFC content and assets. UFC President Dana White describes the two companies as the best at what they do. The UFC brought ultimate fighting to the mainstream. Crypto.com has been a leader in doing the same for blockchain. The partnership will help bring new awareness about crypto assets to more people around the world through the strength of both the UFC and Crypto.com brands. Currently, the UFC has a global fan base of over 625 million people, 150 million social media followers, and 900 million households with UFC broadcasts. Crypto.com branded assets made their debut in July during the Poirier versus McGregor fight in Las Vegas and will remain a mainstay brand for the UFC. But the biggest new partnership for Crypto.com is none other than Formula One. This $100 million deal will allow Crypto.com top branding slots during the qualifying rounds of the upcoming British Grand Prix. For the remaining 2021 Formula One World Championship season, Crypto.com will have prime billboard real estate. Formula One has forayed into crypto before. In March, Aston Martin partnered with Crypto.com to bring NFTs of the newest Aston Martin F1 as it hit the track. Collectibles include a pit stop slow-mo, AMR 21 unveiling, and other Formula One race day moments. Crypto.com CMO Steve Kalafowitz says there will be more collaborations to come. In the past, a partnership between Crypto.com and Aston Martin would have been impossible. After all, crypto wasn't exactly looked at favorably by mainstream media and investors. This new partnership with Formula One is groundbreaking. It shows that crypto is hitting the mainstream in a big way. Crypto.com is offering a giveaway of Users Trade CRO on the Crypto.com app with a chance to win Formula One Paddock Club hospitality passes. The winner gets a pair of tickets to the Formula One Etihad Airways Abu Dhabi Grand Prix in 2021 worth over $50,000. Winners will also receive a $1,000 travel subsidy paid in CRO for their accommodations. Campaign period ends soon. It began on October 20th and ends November 5th. Click the link in the description to get more info. All you have to do is log on to the Crypto.com app, complete account verification, and trade at least $500 in CRO. And if you want to try the Crypto.com Visa debit card to spend your crypto, it's a great way to take profits and realize gains. To do that, visit bitboycrypto.com/deals and scroll down to the Crypto.com card section. You get $25 for free just for signing up. If you didn't know, CRO is the native token of the Crypto.com platform. And recently, Brave new coin called the crypto asset a sleeping giant that is ready to wake up. Over the past week, CRO leapt out of a double bottom at around 19 cents and saw highs of nearly 23 cents on Friday. There's been a steady increase in the value of CRO since the beginning of October, and the last 3 months have seen an upward trajectory. This year, the price of CRO is up over 200%, with a market cap of just over $5 billion, making it the 38th largest asset in crypto. Founded by CEO Chris Marszalek as a gateway for crypto payments, CRO token, the blockchain's native token, was launched in 2017 under the name MCO, the company's original name Monaco. 12 million MCO tokens were sold at ICO, and in 2019, the company rebranded to Crypto.com and began issuing its signature Crypto.com Visa cards. 2019, the company launched more services, including a crypto-to-crypto exchange service that aimed to target the profitable crypto trader demographic. They also started offering centralized crypto borrowing and lending called Crypto Earn and Crypto Credit. The company's non-custodial DeFi wallet was launched in 2020, and the MCO token was phased out completely for the CRO token. Crypto.com now has an NFT marketplace that aims to compete with OpenSea. So far, this bull cycle, the price of CRO has really yet to pop. And with the attention that its new partnerships are sure to bring, there's a good chance that Crypto.com can capture a lot more investment capital in this leg of the bull cycle. There are many good reasons to pay attention to Crypto.com right now. Crypto is making its way into the mainstream. Crypto.com is leading the charge. That's all I got. Be blessed. Boy out.